In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get premium Shopify themes for absolutely free in 2025. Yes, you heard that right, premium, high quality Shopify themes without spending hundreds of dollars. The methods I'll share with you are completely legit and still working this year. So if you've been searching for a way to get beautiful themes for your Shopify store, you're in the right place. But before we jump into it, if this is your first time here, make sure to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you don't miss more videos like this. And trust me, the tips I'll share today saves you a lot of money. Now, let's get started. Method number one is by joining our exclusive WhatsApp e-commerce group. I've left the link down in the description of this video. This group is full of people who are already successful in the e-commerce industry. And inside the group, you can easily find premium Shopify themes like boosters, Debutify, and many more absolutely free. And not only that, you'll also get access to resources, strategies, and tips that will really help you in your e-commerce journey. So if you're running your own Shopify store or even drop shipping business, make sure to join our community. You'll be surprised at how much value you'll get just by being part of this group. Now let's move on to the second method, which is perfect for freelancers and store owners who want even more premium themes. Now let's move on to method number two, is by using Envato elements. I'll leave the link in the description below for you. And once you go to the website, simply search for Shopify themes. And you'll be surprised to see just how many templates there are available. There are CMS templates, website templates, even graphic templates. Basically everything you need for your online store in one place. And this method is really amazing for freelancers who build Shopify stores for clients. So imagine this. Instead of buying one expensive theme that costs $300, you get unlimited access to hundreds of premium themes for just a small subscription. Sound crazy, right? Now here's the trick. Envato Elements offers a monthly subscription that costs just about $16.50 per month. And during that 1 month, you can download as many premium Shopify themes as you want. And once you download them, they're yours forever, even if you cancel the subscription after that month. So technically, you're getting hundreds of themes almost for free. So think about this. One theme usually costs $200 or more. But here you're getting unlimited downloads for just $16.50. That's why this method is a real game changer. But here's where it gets even better. Envato Elements also has something called the free files of the month. So every month they release a set of premium assets that you can download completely free of charge. So sometimes if you're lucky, you'll find premium Shopify themes in this free section. So the only catch here is that they change every month and can run out quickly. So my tip here for you is that always check their free section right at the start of the month. You might just grab a Shopify theme worth hundreds of dollars without paying anything at all. That's true. Free method for 2025 and a lot of people don't even know about. So to get started, all you need to do here is create an account on Envato Elements. So don't worry, it's quick and easy, and once you're signed up, you can explore the Shopify themes library. And also, if you want to try free files of the month, you don't even need to pay for subscription. Just download what's available for free. And if you decide to go for the 1 month subscription, here's my advice. Plan your downloads, list down all the types of Shopify themes that you might need, and maybe for different niches like fashion, tech, beauty, or general stores. Then during that 1 month, download as many as possible. And that way you'll have a library of premium themes saved on your computer for future use. And that's how you can get premium Shopify themes for free or almost free in 2025, whether you join our WhatsApp group to grab themes directly or use Envato Elements to download unlimited designs for just $16.50. So both methods will save you money and give you access to world-class designs. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. And share this with your friends who are also working on Shopify so they can benefit too. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. And until then, good luck on your online store and happy selling.